I got this week. It is a Singer S1478 overlock machine. Overlock. Lots of damage. Don't worry about that. So, I never had a serger or an overlock machine. I used my little zigzag stitches on the sewing machine. But if you see here, it has some illustrations of what it can do. And I got this because a local grocery store, well, I guess it's not local, it's new to our area. We just got a couple of them called Lidls. Had this in their advertising. Do you have Lidls? Do you know Lidls? They seem to carry a lot of sewing things like the thread, for one thing. And one time they had a sewing machine, but I looked it up and the price wasn't worth jumping out there to go buy it from a grocery store. I could go to the places you usually buy sewing machines. But this serger was on sale for $1.99. $1.99, you guys. I looked it up. These things are never that cheap. So I said I have to get it. Oh my God. Still looking at my $1.99 bill. So the whole point of this video is that I got this for $1.99 at Lidls of all places. So it came with some things in the box. Noodles. Whatever it is, but okay. I have an extra if I need it. Tweezers. Yeah, tiniest alley key I've ever seen. Can you see this? Can you see how small this is? Look. It's the same size. The same size as the lines on my hand. I mean, like, I haven't even ever played with a serger before, but I'm excited. So they have this little example here of what it can stitch. Can you see it? Can you see? And I know they cut, right? They're supposed to cut the edges for you so everything comes out beautifully trimmed. Oh, I don't even know how to open it. Okay, you have to get rid of this. Okay, okay, so there you go. For those of you who don't know, like me, it's a slide and open. Let's slide and open it. Very interesting. So I'm sure it's a joy to thread. There's 13 spots before, or color-coded spots. It doesn't look that hard though. Okay, so it also has color codes and numbers. Like, I know I can learn how to use this. So look, it has like, okay, 2, 1, 4, 3. Why are they out of order? I don't know, but I'm pretty sure as you go down the tab to look threading it, you still know where to put it. That's, if not the number, then the color. Yeah, you see 3, 2, 1, 4, 3. That is so odd, but okay. As long as I can find my blue 3 all the way to where I need it to be, I think I'm okay with that. That should be helpful. And they have little threads already in here to help you on your way. And I bought some white. This would be a nightmare to put all these colors on one garment, but I bought some white and I bought some black to get started. First one goes from here to here to here, down, up, and around. Okay, that is kind of technical. And there's the second one. I don't even see, I guess 3 and 4 just come this way. And then all of them get stitched into this. That's pretty amazing. Alright, so there's that. Let's close that back up. then on this side, it has some adjustable things. There it is. So this one says it does like gathers, it looks like. And I guess this would be the stitch length, which is pretty standard. Here's her, my new babe. There's a wheel on this side. Oh, okay. And it makes the needle go up and down, right? Like every wheel does. I think I can learn how to use this. I can't wait. I can't wait. Oh, and this part here, it's adjustable. Yeah, up and down, turn around. I'm sure you'll need that for some reason. So it doesn't, I guess it doesn't have a bobbin space. This is what people do, right? They don't read the manual. They don't open up the instructions. They just start pulling and tugging and trying to figure the whole thing out. Ha! I got it. Okay, this looks like a sleeve arm, a free arm. It's tiny though. Can you see? It's a tiny little free arm. But that's what that is. Okay, let me put this back. And I will read the manual. I will read the manual so I don't break her. It's my new friend. Okay, that's it for now. Maybe you're like me, you don't know anything about a serger. But here's the needles. It's a double needle. I want you to see the double needle. There it is. 2 needles. 2 needles. I think for $1.99 it's not a bad deal, especially in the sewing world where things can be super expensive. I'm happy. We'll see how she stitches. That'll make the final decision. That was hard. Anyways, thanks for watching me open my new serger. I can't wait to use it and show you guys what I'm able to do. Probably more soft fabrics, stretchy fabrics, the things that don't hem like normal. I can now use my overlock machine. Yay! Okay, catch you next time.